Standard 4 Term 2 Mathematics. Welcome friends, today we are going to see about Unit 2 Numbers. Multiplication by lattice algorithm up to 2-digit by 2-digit number and 3-digit number by single-digit number. Friends, here is an example. 48 multiplied by 36. We can do the lattice multiplication. You have step 1. You have to put a box. Friends, step 1. Create 2 rows, 2 column box. And step 2. Divide each box into 2 separate box. Step 3. We have to write the 48 in upper box and 36 in the side. Okay friends. Next, 8 multiplied by 3 is what? 24. Then we have to do in the top of the top and 4 in low. Okay friends, similarly we have to multiply the 8 multiplied by 6 is 48. Then we have to write the 4 in the top and 8 in the low. Okay friends, next we have to multiply the 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Then we have to put the 1 at the top and the 2 in the low. Okay friends. Next we have to multiply the 4 into 6 is equal to 24. We have to put the 2 at the top and 4 in the low. Okay friends. We have to add the numbers. Okay. 8. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 12. Then 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to friends, 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. The 12 we have to carry over 1. Then is equal to 7. Okay. Then we have to put 1. Then the answer is 1728. Okay friends. This is the first example. Next example is 96 multiplied by 72. 96 at the top of the row and 72 in the side. Then we have to multiply the 6 into 7 is equal to 4 at the top and 2 at the low. Okay friends. Next, 6 into 2 is equal to 12. Then we have to put 1 at the top and 2 at the low. Okay friends. Next, we have to multiply the 7 into 9 is equal to 63. We have to put the 3 at the top and 6 at the top and 3 at the low. Okay friends. Next, we have to multiply the 9 into 2 is equal to 18. We have to put the 1 at the top and 8 at the low. Okay friends. Then we have to add the numbers. Okay. Now we can add 2, 11, 2 carry over here. Okay friends. Then 1 plus 3 plus 4. Then the answer is 8. 1 is carry over. then the answer is 9. Okay friends. Okay, next 6 plus, then the answer is 6912. Okay friends. Now let us see the standard algorithm. Okay. Now let us see the one example. 48 multiplied by 36. Okay. We have to separate the 36. How? 30 plus 6 is equal to 36. Okay friends. Ones and tens is there. Okay, step 1. 48 multiplied by 6 is equal to 288 ones. Okay friends. Step 2. 48 multiplied by 30. That is tens. Okay friends. The answer is 440 ones. Okay friends. And step 3. We have to add the numbers. What numbers we have to add? Okay. 288 plus 1440 is equal to what? 1728. And this is the answer. Okay friends. In the normal, if you do a normal multiplication, the answer will be same. Okay friends. Okay. Example 3. In a school, there are 24 desks in each classroom. If there are 18 classrooms in the school, find the total number of desks. Solution is there. Okay. Number of desks in each classroom, 24. Step 2. Number of desks and 18 classrooms. We have to multiply the 18 into 24. Okay. We have to convert the 20 plus 4 is equal to 24. Okay friends. If ones and tens. Okay friends. Next. In standard algorithm, we see no. That's only this. Okay friends. Okay. Step 1. We have to multiply the ones. Okay friends. The answer is 72 ones. Okay. Step 2. We have to multiply the tens. The answer is 360 ones. We have to add the two numbers. What numbers? 72 and 360 is equal to 432. Okay friends. Then in normal multiplication, we can multiply. The answer is same. Okay friends. Here is an example. Multiply. Now let us see the lattice algorithm. Okay. Multiply 3-digit number by 1-digit number. Okay. Here is an example. Okay. In 2-digit number, we see no, that only this one. Okay friends. Okay. We have to do 2 into 9 is equal to 18. We have to put 1 at the top and 8 at the low. Okay. And 8 into 9 is equal to 72. Then we have to put the 7 at the top and 2 at the lower. Okay. Now 2 into 9 is equal to 18. Now we have to put the 1 at the top and 8 at the lower. We have to add the numbers. Okay friends, the answer is 2538. Okay friends. Next example you can see in the screen. Okay friends. 7 into 6 is equal to 42. Okay friends. 4 into 6 is equal to 24. And 6 into 6 is is equal to 36. Okay friends, we have to add the total number. The answer is 3882. Okay friends. Standard algorithm example 3. Okay. Friends, how to multiply in standard algorithm? Okay, now let us see. We have to put the 1000, 100, tens and ones. Okay friends. Now put the number. Okay friends. Okay, now let us multiply. You can see in the screen. Okay friends. This is only happen when we have to multiply this way. Okay friends. Okay. Friends, in the picture what do you see? Yes, a box is there. Okay, in the first picture you can see a box. Here's many colors are there. Okay friends, there are 7 colors are there. Do you know the 7 tables? Okay, let's recap. Okay, 7 colors into 1 box. Okay friends, is equal to 7 colors. Okay friends, here's 2 boxes there. Then 7 colors is equal to 2 boxes equal to 14 colors. Okay, do you know the answer for the 7 colors into 4 boxes? Yes, that's right. It is 28 colors. Okay, now let us complete the 8 table. Friends, here's an example. Okay, let's complete the 8 table. Okay, in the picture what do you see? A spider is there. How many legs it has? 8 legs. 8 legs and 1 spider. Okay, in table 8 legs into 1 spider is equal to 8 legs. Okay, next picture. Okay, 2 spiders are there. Then we have to multiply 8 legs and into 2 spiders is equal to 16 legs. Okay, in the last one you can see the 6 spiders are there. Then what do we write? Okay, 8 into 6 is what? Yes, correct. It is 48 legs. Like my video and subscribe our channel. Thank you friends.